With the historic indictment of former President Donald Trump still under seal, how New York prosecutors plan to justify the charges is largely an open question. But legal analysts suspect the case may hinge on an untested theory. Here's what we know so far about the indictment ahead of Trump's expected surrender on Tuesday. What are the specific charges? Well, they're not yet known, but are expected to stem from a hush money payment made to porn star Stormy Daniels, who was trying to sell her story of an affair with Trump just days before the 2016 presidential election. Trump's then lawyer Michael Cohen admits to paying Daniels $130,000 to keep quiet.
Do you know where he got the money to make that payment?
No, I don't know.
Cohen says he was reimbursed by the Trump organization. Now, hush money is not inherently illegal. So what's gotten Trump into trouble? It's how he allegedly handled reimbursing Cohen. Trump is accused of falsely classifying monthly reimbursement checks as legal expenses.
New York law makes it a felony to falsify business records, to further or conceal another felony.
In this case, that second crime could be a violation of election law. Prosecutors could argue the payout amounted to a campaign donation because it silenced Daniels. How tough will that theory be to prove?
We haven't seen a case where a federal campaign financing offense has been used as the basis for that sort of a charge. And it's possible that for some reason or another, a court would decide that that's not within the proper use of the New York criminal statute.
And what about Trump's claims this is a political prosecution?
The standards for rejecting an indictment on those grounds require proof from the defense that this is a charge prosecutors have chosen not to file against similarly situated defendants, which will be a difficult burden for Trump to satisfy in this case.
As for whether Trump can campaign while under indictment, well, it's almost certain that after his arraignment, he will not be detained while the case is pending. So, yes, he can. The Trump campaign, by the way, says it's raised more than $4 million in the 24 hours since his indictment was announced. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.